Now, question 13. Question 13 is a ratios question. And this particular question I find a lot of students struggle with, and it's not that hard. All you need to do is make your life easier, and I'm going to show you how. So we have E to F is 2 to 3 and F to G is 5 to 4. And they ask us to work out E to G and give your answer in its simplest form. So it's quite straightforward. You write 2 to 3 here, and above it I'll write E to F, and I'll write 5 to 4 here, and above it I'll write F to G. So my goal is to make both my F's the same value, okay? And I'll use a different color to show this. So I want to make both my F's, the 3 here and the 5 here, the same value. And the easiest way to do this is to multiply this by 5 and multiply this by 3, okay? And in ratios, what you do to one side of the ratio, you do it to the other side. So I'll multiply my 2 here by 5, and I'll multiply my 4 here by 3, okay? So below, I'll write my answers. So 2 times 5 is 10, and that'll be 10 to 5 times 3 is 15, okay? And then for this one, 5 times 3 is 15, and then 4 times 3 is 12. Now we've actually achieved our goal. We've made both the F's the same, 15, 15. So all we can do now is equate our E and G's together. So E to G is just simply 10 to 12. And if you simplify this by dividing 2 either side, you get 5 to 6. And that's your answer.